Ever wonder what it's like to come back to your garden after 3 weeks away? Well, here's mine, and it's pretty wild. I have a lot of editing to do. A lot. And I have a lot of things that need to be pulled that went to seed. Like those. So much to do. But that's good. It'll keep my mind off of Ireland. Got all the mess of my bulbs to clean up here. That's not looking too good. That needs to be thinned out. I can see where the gophers have been digging in everywhere. My goodness. Cray cray. Got a lot of work to be done. Well, you guys know what I'll be doing. Larry came out to visit me. Say hi, Larry. Where'd you go? Say hi. Looks like my nasturtiums have failed. Some of them. Pick some seeds off of those. And yep, Betty Blue didn't make it. That's too bad. Gotta give a good watering today. That Mexican feathergrass needs to be cut down. My bed seriously needs stuff pulled. Oh my goodness. I mean, there's a lot of color. But there's also a lot of stuff that needs to be pulled. You can see gophers have been at work everywhere. Definitely need to trim those, cut those back. That wild purslane, if you don't cut back the blooms, it just looks really bad. So definitely need to do that. Weekend project. So I'm back to work tomorrow. My paying job. But yeah, this is what my garden looks like. Some variation of it every year when I get back from my 3-week trip. So yeah, pray for me. I've got a lot of work to do here. I'm stepping on gopher holes everywhere I go. It's horrible. Look at that mess. I can barely see my purple fountain grass in there. It's there though. More gopher work. more go for work. Goodness gracious. Wow. A lot to do. It's pretty overwhelming. But just gotta get in there, get her done. It was worth it. I hope everybody enjoyed the Ireland videos. Some of the gardens that I visited, and I've got a few more that I still need to edit and get up. I want to get those done hopefully this weekend. It might be within the next couple of weeks. So anyway, well, I'm going to give it a good water. That's where I'm going to start. And then I can assess everything and start by section going through everything. So anyway, I hope everybody has a great week and a great week ahead of you, and get out there and garden your hearts out. Bye-bye.